Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change eye color and also enhance the eye. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So we'll start by brightening the eye over here. So I'll add a curves adjustment layer. Left click and hold this and then drag it up a little bit. So something like this is okay for me. Now select the layer mask and press Command I or Control I to invert the selection. Once you are done, select the brush tool and make sure that the foreground color is set to white. Then zoom in onto the eye and paint over just the black side to brighten it. So let's do something. So paint over this side to brighten it. So you can see that when I toggle off the visibility, so we've been able to brighten this part of the eye. Now let's go ahead and then change the color of the eye. To do that, add a hue saturation adjustment. Check the colorize option over here. Set saturation to 50, and then now you can choose any color of your choice. And then I'll be going with the green color. So something like this is okay for me. Okay, so with the next step, there are two ways that you can go about it. The first way is that you can hold down your Option or Alt key, and then left click and hold in the layer marks of the curves adjustment layer and place it onto the layer marks of the hue saturation. When you do that, Photoshop will ask you, would you like to replace the layer mask, and just click on yes. And with that, it will affect the eye. So we've been able to change the eye value. Now let me show you the next step. So with the next step, if you don't want to go with the first one, the next step is that you can select the layer marks of the hue saturation, then press Command I to invert the selection. Select your brush tool, make sure the foreground color is set to white, and then zoom in onto the eye and paint over the black side. So let's go with this. Let's go with this. Now we are done. So let's say you don't like the black, like you don't like the green color over here, you want to change it to a different color. All you need to do is to double click here, then you can choose any color that you choose any color. Okay guys, so this is how to change eye color and also enhance eye color in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.